Hi Emma, thanks for sending your question to SnapMath. So we need to solve this trinomial by completing the square. So the first thing you want to do when you complete the square is to get the c value on the other side. And the c value is this 8. So we're going to add 8 to both sides. So now we have n squared plus 9n plus, I'm going to call this the magic number, equals 8 plus the magic number. Now, the way we get the magic number is this little formula over here. It's called b over 2 squared. So the b value is 9. So we do 9 over 2, and then we square that, which will be 81 over 4. So that's the number we add to both sides. All right. The next thing is we factor this trinomial, and it's really easy to factor this. It's it's a perfect square trinomial. So we take the square root of n squared, which is n. We take the first sign, which is a plus, and we take the square root of this fraction, which would be 9 over 2, and that's squared. And that equals, I'm going to get the common denominator, which will be 4. So this will be 32 over 4 plus 81 over 4. And then we do that math. Over 4. All right. Now the next step is we need to square root both sides. Okay. When we square root both sides, that cancels out the square root and the square. So we have 9 or n plus 9 over 2 equals the square root of 113 stays, but then the square root of 4 here will turn into a 2. All right, and since we did a square root here, it's going to be plus minus. Now the last step is we just need to subtract 9 over 2 on each side. So then it'll be n equals, and now these are, it's like adding a fraction, so it'll be negative 9 plus or minus square root 113 over 2. Now we can combine them like that because they both have a common denominator 2. All right, so that is your answer. All right, thanks for sending your question to SnapMath and have a great night.